Lizzie Rangihuna hau, ko te eke hoi ho tōku ao, no mai anō. Kua kite a hau I te aukume o te katoa ki te hoiho. Kua pirangi ki te whakamātau ake. I huri haere a hau I ngā hau e whā. Google. Ki te kimi I ngā kai whakaaweawe I te hunga ranga wairua. Kua tono a rātou kia hiri mai ki te ekenga o ngā ekenga.
So if you want to live out your coupling fantasies, or you're just concerned about rising petrol prices, then come and get your leg over with me.
Hoki mai anō e te iwi. I tēnei rā I e kake, kei konei a hau kei ngā papa kaieke o rere whakaitu e tūtaki ana ki ngā kaiaka o taia nei ki a Shiray Raua ko Gillies Kākā.
Morena, my gangsters, do I have a story for you?
Guys, guess who said yes to play at the Fiji Coral Coast Sevens?
It was me. Oh!
Ko rawa tuara, kua pīkau I te puraka pango. Kua pīkau hoki I ngā tūmanako o Aotearoa I te atamira o te motu. Heoi, I tēnei rā, kua kore he papa hākina kina. Kua kore he poraka, he papa o ne kē, he puehu, he tera. Kia tūtaki atu tātou, kia raua. Tēnā korua! Oh my God!
Love the fit, love the fit. Let's go.
Oh, taupoi!
Kia ora, ko whawhi te maunga, ko waipa ki Waitomo te awa, ko tainui te waka, ko Ngāti Porou te iwi, ko Shiray Kākā hau.
Te tau tōku pāpā, ko tāwhia te maunga, ko rangataiki te awa, ko Ngāti hui te hapu, ko Ngāti manua te iwi. Te tau tōku māma, Ngāti Porou, rongo mai wahine, Ngāti Kahungunu hoki. Kia ora.
Kei te pēhea korua, how are you today?
Kei te pai, esa.
Kei te ngengi hau.
Oh!
Do you like that Māori? Stop it. Nah, a little bit tired, just son's wanting to wake up 3-4 times in the night, so have a party there and we'll have a party here on the horse today.
What are you guys hoping to get out of this?
Oh, I'm hoping to get a horse out of it. I've been trying to get one for ages.
Yeah, he's been trying to get a horse for ages, and I said, sweet, I'll buy you one, just show me you can ride one first. So this will determine whether he gets a horse or not.
So today we've got a little bit of a challenge to start off with. Let's go meet a real Coke boy, and his name is Clary Church.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Oh, hear that.
Yeah! He taniwha hikuroa a Clary Church I te ao rōreo. I roto I ngā tau, kua whakaihu waka ia I ngā pekanga rōreo maha.
Welcome to the Rere Whakaitu Radio. It was first established in 1964. It's called the Home of Champions between just my older brother and my dad. They've won 66 New Zealand national titles just between them two.
Well, Clary, we've heard you're the biggest champion of them all.
Nah, those are lies. my dad, he's our inspiration. You got to be not only good in the arena, but you got to be good outside of it. You know, rodeo is something you can't just do part-time. You've got to love it and breathe it. Same with your guys' rugby.
Tēnā koe, Clary. Well, tell us a bit about your guys' journey.
Yeah, 2 rugby players, that found the internet and now just mock each other for some fun and to keep sane,
Yeah.
pretty much.
Just had a baby. Fortunate enough to both be at home looking after son, so that's cool at the moment and trying to find a way we can keep doing that.
I'm trying to come back after baby as well, so get back into sport and then have son and Gillies following me around and watching me in the stands, so that'll be the big kind of inspiration. But
Well,
yeah,
maybe a life with horses could be the next venture.
we'll see after today, eh?
Come on over and meet Hoepa Te Puru. This is our first challenge. The reason we're going to have a bit of a go on this is know where to get your legs, your knees. So you've got to learn to relax in the inside of your legs. Just relax.
Yeah, just relax. It's all good. One of his hardest things is, anyway.
Oh, you go. There you go, let it all out.
One of his things is he hates not being good at something straight away. He really struggles with not being a pro, eh? So even with this hoiho stuff too, it'll be really good for him because it's, something new.
Anei a DC e whakatauira mai ana. Koia te kaiwhakaako mo te waiti nei.
You got that, Gillies?
No, we'll see. Making it look too easy.
I've got a question. Can I write this one instead?
Ka tahira e te iwi, puritia kia au, puritia kia mau.
Gillies, go on, babe. You want to buy a horse? Get on
Right,
there.
get me on there. Oh, sorry, it feels high up here.
Here you go.
Swamp as well from here.
And then have that hand down here. It's sort of your, you rock and now tuck your chin on your...
Right.
Yeah, so you just got to slide down there. Okay, I want to see a good nod.
Am I looking good here? How's my form looking?
I don't know.
Yeah!
Guys, no! I don't want to get on now. Let's focus,
And that was the bell
Oh, I was getting ready for that one too.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's the one. Close your hand. Or back here, you want to keep it right there. Nice positive nod.
Chest out.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, here we go. Work it, yeah. Oh, stop it. 6, 5,
Oh
6, 7, 8, 10. That's wicked.
Oh.
Tēnā koe Clary, DC, koutou ko hohepa te pūru nei. Who do we think won?
It was really close, and I don't. But I reckon Shiray. Oh, sorry, my brother.
He was saying it was really close. It wasn't that close.
Well, Whānau, we'll learn how to catch them and do all the basic fundamentals of how to be one with them. The first thing we got to learn to do is grab our halter, get it ready to throw on. This is Peanut. Shiray, this will be your horse.
Hi, Peanut.
Peanut.
Oh, I've had a long road in rugby. Started when I was in high school. Been in and out of the Sevens program for over 10 years now. Now I've had son and done my ACL, and now my big dream is to come back and have him watch me in the stands.
Well, I think I started like most kids, would have been like 5 years old or something, and played all the way through. I left high school and then got into Hawke's Bay Academy, I think it was. Generally each year, just progressing from there. Played some sevens for NZ.
Played some sevens. He
Went
didn't
to-
play some sevens. He is a legend of sevens, okay?
Went to sevens.
You don't have to be humble.
I was just
Well, no, once you get in the car, you'll be like, yeah, back in my day.
went there, went to the Olympics, and then had the opportunity to go to Japan for about 5 or 6 years, which was wicked. Went there and then semi-retired, but I might get roped into some club rugby.
I've won an Olympic gold medal. Gillies hasn't.
I got a Com Games
You go to Com Games.
and a World Cup and a Player of the World Cup. Our Com Games almost like a little bit, that was cool to be there and win a medal. Better than winning no medal.
Oh, wait, did you not win at all?
No, we got second.
Oh, yeah. Unlucky.
That's the one.
Secure the lock. Peanut wana api api.
Oh, I can actually feel her heartbeat.
Yeah.
Whai mai te iwi, no Gillies te wā.
Tēnā koe. Tēnā koe.
Can you feel it, hear his heart?
No, I can just hear mine.
Ko pātuki tahi ngā manawa, kua hono ngā wairua, nānei, ko te prahe te hoiho.
Hey, Peanut.
Parai.
Paraihe.
Ai, prahe.
Paraihe. Pohiwi. Shoulder, eh?
Yep, so you can keep moving along.
Tuara, over here somewhere.
Are you like my dogs? They like the fast one. When the jersey comes off from a cow mum, a dog mum, an alpaca mum, pig mum. Look at this guy. Trying to get his ins. All the way up and get his crack. cat mum and then a real human mum too.
Kua piri mai a pepe e te iwi. Nau mai. Te tira he hoi ho.
E kia ora, Peanut.
Wow, ka pai
Nice,
koe o.
When we decided to start trying for Son, one of our goals was to be able to be with him together as a whānau, and so any job that we go into next, we want to make sure that we've still got that quality time together until he gets sick of us.
Now we're gonna pick his feet out and then tack him up.
All right, sweet. I'll do yours for you, eh, hon?
I'm with the baby, so you
Right,
better go.
I got you.
Yeah, I believe in you, darling. I believe in you.
Pull him up. There you go.
Ka paku ako a Gillies, a ka riroa, kua takatū, kua rite.
Now take the arm off.
Oh, hold that.
Well, whānau, we'll head on over to the arena and we'll mount up and have a bit of a ride around. Hey, what do you think?
Are you ready, Shiray, to get your leg over?
I'm ready.
How about you, Gillies?
Yeah, ready to ride.
Did you ask, Pango?
Connection, telepathic.
Hei, e hara tēnei te kapa o pango.
Kia utone mai e te iwi. Kaupoi up. Hoki mai anō e te iwi. Kua rite ngā hoiho, kua rite a Shiray rawa ko Gillies. Let's ride.
Oh, well, we've got them all tacked up and raring to go. The first thing I reckon you do, make sure your saddle's nice and tight. Tug them up. Ooh, that would have been a stitch up.
Straight off.
Kei te pēhea, Gillies. How are you feeling?
Oh, ke te hikaka. Ready to rumble.
We'll see. No, sorry. I won't put that in you. You got it.
Oh, see, almost famous. I was almost a tamako artist, eh?
Almost. Never know. If I didn't get injured, I would have been in the All Blacks.
Yeah, social media is for people to find a sense of happiness on my page, and so that's how I started. People seem to find happiness in me mocking Gilly, so...
Paraihehia or makawe?
Something about here.
Brush your hair!
I think now that we enjoy it and we make a living off it too, as long as those things are coming from a good place, then we'll keep going.
Ah, that's perfect. Wicked. Oh, well.
Look good, mate, you look good.
And we can get Shiray's leg over.
Lean back up, girl. Booyah.
Reke reke ki raro. Heels down.
Oh, you're sweating, darling.
Personal.
Yeah, as you can hear, Son's crying, so I'm going to have to leave the cowboying to Gillies. Check.
Cowgirl out.
We're going to come over here and do a bit of simple riding exercises, but first you want to be sitting straight. Remember, keep the pressure off the inside of your legs. Turn them and squeeze with your legs, and once he's off, you don't really have to have much pressure on the mouth. You don't really need too much pressure.
He's what, follow you anyway.
Okay, follow me. Yeah, he's all right. Just let his reins, because he'll just go, but when he goes to run, he's just got a fast walk.
I te rongo haere a hauk, haere te a Gillies me pango I te hono tahi.
Wait, stop him, no. Stop him. Yeah, that's the one.
You're stitching me up.
Yeehaw! Oh, now you're happy boy, eh?
Okay, I am on the treadmill this morning, just doing some light walking, but let's see how long it takes for Gillies to come in and say, I think this boy's hungry. Let's see. Yes, what did you want to say to me?
He's hungry.
Oh, look, I got 6 minutes and 16 seconds.
No, it is pretty hard being parents. I thought it was just going to be like the same life, but just with a baby.
He was like, nah, life's not going to change. We're just going to drag Son around and he's going to rude awakening as soon as Son came. So.
Good learnings, I would say.
Yeah, but we just love it. He's such a cool kid.
Oh, well, Shiray's back and she's good to go. Gillies is on baby watch.
How do I follow you? Do I pull this one or?
Yep, open that kuaha. Yep.
Come on,
And
Peanut.
talk to her.
Come on,
Come
Peanut.
on.
Off you go. Go, Peanut. Come on, girl.
There you
go.
Push your rein forward.
Oh,
There you go. Push your rein forward. That's the one. That's the
Peanut.
one. There you go.
Good girl.
You got him.
Good girl.
Yeah. You're in the bell racing now. Back around.
Keep going, Peanut.
Motivate her a bit more.
Good girl. It's all you, girl. Almost there. Good girl. So this is your first time on a hoi-ho. Tell us about your first rugby game.
Oh gosh, it was much easier than this, I can tell you that. Oh, Peanut, you did so good, darling. You did so good. All right, Peanut's done all the work, so now it's time for me to go and work and look after Son.
Ia maua ko Shiray katahuri ki ngā pepe, ka hari mai a Clary I tētahi hoi-ho hau mo Gillies.
You'll win the race. Yeah, that's the one.
Is this your first time on a horse, Gillies?
Nah, a couple of times I've been on them. On some hunting horses, but it's just jump on and hold on.
Oh, awesome, guys. I take my hat off to you guys. Chiha! Kia maura.
Kei te pēhea ngā piro after that.
I'm better now that I'm off pango. I'm on gypsy now.
First test failed, you have to switch horses. Me and Peanut, we're like this.
Reke reke ki raro e te iwi, he wero anō, kei te haere.
He rangia tāhua tēnei rere whakaitu I te taha o te Whānau Church, rātou ko Shiray ko Gillies.
All right, I'm out of here. Nah. I reckon we both got a different sense of humour. That sometimes, because he's so quiet, he'll tell a joke and I'll tell it louder and then everyone will think I'm funny. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come, Son.
Oh.
It'll be Son.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
It'll be Son. He'll be the funniest. Hopefully he'll get half of each of our humour. Oh, you're going a bit high there, bro.
I see, that's a bad thing. You know, relax.
Oh, shush. Clary already said I was the best at this. We thought life would be pretty easy and we'd both be able to jump on a horse. That's not the case. Like Gilly supports me on the field, me and Son will support him on the horse.
Tahi rua toru peke. Hikoi, nānei hanga waru.
Anei, Māori. Māori, haere. Ka pai, gypsy.
Ai, Māori, ki Whanganui.
Ai.
Whakawhiti atu, taha matatau. Koruki ai, kia kaha gypsy, haere tonu.
Haere tonu. Ai, matatau. Haere tonu.
Kia pai gypsy.
Ka pai chips. Haere tonu. Ka pai chips. Ai, matatau. Haere. Ka pai chips.
Nice, Gypsy.
Tō reina, ai. Me pēnei, ki te taha matau. Matau, Māui. Me tō tinana, ki ngā taha.
Here, look, Son.
Ka pai chips. Ka pai, haere tonu.
Give him something to watch. Let's go, Gillies.
Ka pai chips. Ka pai chips.
Oh, stop it, Gillies. Nice.
Ka pai huri mai, hoki mai.
Matau chips.
Aki aia, whakamahi I o waiwai.
Haere tonu. Ka pai chips. Ka pai. Haere tonu.
Ki te timatanga.
Ka pai.
Ooh, ai, kei te pātera, haere tonu if you want.
Oh, nice, Gillies. That was great, actually. One step closer to buying a horse, mate.
Gilly said he wanted to quickly run into the op shop to find Son a beanie. This is what he comes out with.
Let's go.
What the hell? Yeah, is that for you or Son? You said you wanted a hoi-ho.
I nei tō mahi, toi atu, ai, kānata mai. Hoki mai, kānata.
Hei, haere. Ka pai darling. Ka pai darling.
Ka pai. Ai, huri mai.
Nice. Go, darling, go.
Haere tonu.
Lean forward.
Go. Yee-hoo.
And torirua tahi, e tū.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Pēhea tērā, Gillies.
Oh, the heart was starting to race. I thought I was going fast before.
Heart's racing, eh? Like when you first met me.
This is why I need a horse at home so I can just relax.
Once I get the nod from Clary that you're good to go, then maybe we'll think about it. But at the moment, I don't know, I need a bit more.
Nah, we're ready to rumble. See what the next challenge is.
Aua e te iwi, e ai kia Clary ko te wero I te wānei, ko te ākau, hoa ke tātou.
give you a demo, eh? I'm going to come in here. We're just going to walk up, see how the stairs are on this side. So we'll want them both to go down here with nowhere else to go, so they'll want to come back. So we'll just walk in here, one will go, and then you just cut them out like that.
Wow. Straight in there?
Yeah, brother, straight in there.
Up the guts. No, is that what they say?
Atapuku. Cool, calm and collected. Alrighty already.
Kapai chips. Kapai chips. Kapai chips. Kapai chips.
Oh, hey.
Kapai chips.
Alright.
No pressure. No pressure.
I te kāinga o ngā tua, me whakamātau atu a hau.
Oh, nice and calm. Beautiful.
Whakarongo mai pūruma, korua tahi. I only want one of you to go.
Standoff.
It's on to it, a standoff. Just walk in. That's the one. Oh, classic.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Got to make Gillies look good on TV, eh?
Thank you for that, Lizzie. Perfect.
Tērā wero tērā. Me piki ngā hoiho ki te kāta, me haere ki te treki.
Kua piri mai te Whānau Church ki te ārahi i a mātou i tētahi tereki motu hake i te roto. Kia rātou ko pāpā ko Gillies e whakarite ana, ka paku noho tahi mātou ko Shiray, ko ngā pēpē.
You got cool stuff.
How's Gillies going? You reckon we're going to be buying a horse soon?
Well, yeah, he doesn't seem to want to get off, but I'm not sure if you want to go down that, pathway.
What's
There
that?
seems to be a new dulling in the Whānau.
What do you mean?
Haere. Kapai darling. Kapai darling. Kapai darling.
There's him and his darling hoiho. He's going around.
Do you know what, actually, if there's two darlings, that's less work for me, so I'm okay with another darling.
He might
As
have
long
to
as she
check.
can do the dishes, sweet as.
Tēnā koe Clary, kei konei tātou, kei te roto o re whakaitu, ka hotu te Māori kōrero ki a koe.
Kia ora, welcome to our little paradise. We've got a few of my whānau coming for a ride, so let's just enjoy a nice day with whānau and friends and
Good company.
good company. We have Papa T and Gillies here to ride with us, and Lizzie on some steed, so let's get it on. Chee-ha!
Haere i tū atu i te eke tahi me te whānau.
Regulators, let's ride.
You got any horses, Lizzie?
Me, I've got 8, but
8.
yeah, I've got 8. One of the clouds has a name.
Oh, yeah, they've got names. Mere,
Mere, it's Mere.
Mere, stay as pets. Because we have heaps of meat now, so.
Oh, true.
Well, easy mahi for us, because we're just going to pick them up, then take them home,
Yeah.
and then walk them around the farm for a couple of hours.
And are there horses around you guys since you're in a farm, rural area?
Yeah, our neighbours have some.
Oh, yeah.
I keep trying to coax them over to our place.
Nōku e kōrero ana ki a Gillies, mā rake ana te kitea, ka whai darling hauia i tana pātiki i te kāinga.
Hi, folks.
Kapai chips.
Ah, Gillies, eh? Track, Baba.
Ko ea te treki, i pehea tērā ki a koe Gillies.
No, it was wicked. Learning from the best down there, old Clary.
Oh, you're too kind, mate.
Santa Lizzie, go stop us.
What are you doing here? Get out of here. Look at us.
Hey, what's that about?
That's our secret. Hey, darling.
How was it seeing the taiao from the horse's back?
A little bit of paradise here, Clary.
Awesome. It is a piece of paradise, and we're pretty happy to call us home.
Clary, what do you reckon? Getting him a horse or nah?
Yeah, no, I reckon if you need another darling in your life, get you a horse and you'll be away.
Yes, that sounds like a yes.
Te aroa waka, te aroa māngai nui, Clary, Gillies, Shiray, me kōrihi, ka tipi te pōtai. Ko nei, i te whenua taurikura, ka toko ake te mōhio, ko te maia, ko te kaha, me te pitapita ki te whai o moimoia. Kei roto ki I a koe. Atu I rere whakaitu, ka kite anō. We'll see you next time on Get Your Leg Over.
Ko te reo, te take.